1,326 hours showing. It's got factory power steering on it. It seems to be working okay. A little 65 Massey. The loader's kind of jumpy going up, but I think it's low on fluid because there is a leak on one of these cylinders. And this one here is dripping, so it's dripping some oil out. The bucket seemed to tilt fine, and just going up seems like maybe when you got to a certain point it was a little low on oil. So it's consigned. It just came in. The power steering, like I say, does seem to work okay. It's got real decent back tires on it. We don't know if the hours are 100% correct, but it's a very straight little tractor. It's got the drawbar and top link with it, 540 PTO. So all that turning on and off. We saw the 3-point go up and down. And it's going to sell absolute on Tractor House auction. I don't know that I said, but it is a gas. It's got the Continental gas motor in it. .66.5 inches outside to outside.